Foot than the left foot.
Is
Mm-hmm.
yeah, just here with the immediate family. What are y'all doing?
Me? Not much.
Yeah, what are you doing for Thanksgiving?
Nothing. I'm probably just gonna be chilling at the house. Probably spend some time with my friends.
Mm-hmm.
Like we have all the orphans and strays. That's what I call her. She's a stray. It's like a lot of drinks. So see the car.
My hand is up in there.
That's just it's so sensitive because they're the last things that are coming back. The nerves, yeah.
Is it better than before? Does it have more feeling than the last time he did it? Or is the feeling about the same?
I think it's more feeling.
Does it hurt less?
No.
It still hurts.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I don't want anybody else to do it.
We know.
Yeah, no.
I think there are other people that could do it better, but...
Whoa, 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 whoa.
No.
Whoa. Now, I know that, see, they can't have fights on YouTube anymore because you and I were about to scrap over that one. Wow. That's how you feel.
No, that's not how I feel. This one guy came here and it was like he was trying to carve marble or something. And it was really hurting. And I kept telling him, that hurts, but he never like changed pressure or anything. He was just down there like he was
crazy.
Carving stone or something. No.
Because I remember just two that came in the interim before we could see you again.
Well, now you're stuck with me. You got my cell number, so you always know where to find me.
Yeah, people tattle.
Yeah, I tattle because I don't want anybody else touching my feet.
Who knows?
Is this what Al says?
Oh my gosh.
Who's Al?
No, never mind. We can't because you have to edit that out for sure. It's this person that Jenny teases her about.
Oh, I like it.
She teases me about Al Sharpton.
Al Sharpton?
She said Al Sharpton and I are married. And that
Al Sharpton?
we have kids.
I haven't heard that name in
500
forever.
kids.
Lots and lots of kids. I mean, like every day they're having kids.
Is he still alive?
Yeah, he's still alive.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm sorry, Al. I didn't mean to be off. Yeah, I didn't.
Oh, it's okay. I people off daily.
I did not know.
Yeah.
What did you call? She called the guy from Seventh Heaven, and she said how he died and everything. And then
Wait, the dad from Seventh Heaven is not with us anymore?
He is. He's still alive.
He's still alive.
I thought he was dead.
A
He had
decade later.
some kind of leukemia or something.
So we're done with this foot to start. I'm going to come back and do the toes. We got a nice little pile there to start.
Do you need to get over here now?
I'm fine right where I'm at. That was in just in time. Oh! So we're going to come on over. We're going to trim these nails up. They say I didn't trim your nails last time. I had no idea.
You didn't? You did.
They said I didn't. All right, so go ahead and tell the story, if you don't mind, of how this whole journey came
Okay,
upon us.
so it started like when was it? 2016? 15, yeah. 2015, at the end of 2015, it's like I was feeling weird, just off. And
Sort of.
it was hard to like swallow food and stuff. And so this went on for what, a year?
A year.
A
All
year
of 2016.
Yeah, all of 2016, where I just kept clearing my throat, trying to eat, trying to just live normally and stuff. And one day I got up from my bed and I just like fell down and actually laughed because I thought, oh, I'm so clumsy, you know, like I just got up and fell, like, oh, haha, it's funny. But then I tried to get up and I couldn't. And, you know, that really scared me. So I called my sister in and she helped me. And then we were going to the doctor and everything, and I was telling them something's wrong because I fell and my hands were feeling numb and everything. And they were just telling me, well, you're just anxious and it's just anxiety and, you know, or you're doing this for attention. And I was like, nobody goes numb because of attention. But, you know, I thought they knew best. So I was just going to the doctor, different doctors, different specialists, trying to see what was wrong with me. And then in
February 17th, 2017.
Yeah, February 17th, 2017, I was feeling so weak. And I told my sister, you know, I feel like I'm about to pass out. I don't know what's going on. So we called my mom, and then she told us, well, call 911. So we called 911, and the guy came and got me, and they finally like admitted me, but not because of neurological issues, but because my potassium was low. But you know, like, thank God that they did, because what'd you say, like the next day or so, then that next day, then everything just
crashed.
Just crashed. And they, at this point, they still didn't know what was going on, but they thought I had Guillain-Barré, but they couldn't diagnose me with that because I was missing a marker for it. One marker for it. So they still like never officially diagnosed me as having that, but it's so similar to it. So
Non-specific polyneuropathy.
Yeah, that's what they diagnosed me with, having non-specific polyneuropathy. And in the hospital, just after that day, everything went numb on my body. I couldn't hear, I couldn't speak, I couldn't feel anything. And it felt like being in hell on earth. Like, I thought it was the worst thing ever. I couldn't see because they took my glasses, so I wouldn't break them. So I was confused all the time. My memory had got like short term, so I was asking the same questions over and over and over again. And I would ask my sister things, and she would just tell me. I would ask mom and dad things, and they would just tell me like it was the first time they told me.
So all your short-term memory went to
Was gone. And then, so she was like that for maybe 2 or 3 days, and then they intubated her because she wasn't breathing right, you know, because of the neuropathy. And she stayed like that for 3 weeks.
And how old were you at the time?
How old was I?
20.
You were like 20,
4,
23,
23.
Yeah,
Something like that. Yeah. Yeah.
But thankfully it got better. So they gave me plasmapheresis.
Yes.
Yeah, to stop because
The attack.
because what did they say? My immune system attacked my nervous system.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and so they did plasmapheresis to stop it.
And it stopped immediately. But then the recovery.
Yeah, the recovery has been going on for nearly a decade. So in the hospital, because they couldn't move me around and stuff, they just let me stay like lying straight, like in a coffin. So I couldn't bend my knees. And when it was time for me to do therapy and bend my knees, it's like all of my nerves were going haywire. They just felt like every time something or someone touched me, my feet are like this because it is really painful to touch them, and I don't want anybody else to touch them because they hurt me. I know it's not on purpose, but it still hurts.
Yeah.
And with Dr. Shipp, it doesn't hurt as badly. And he's like gentle and stuff, so that's why my feet are like this.
Yes.
It
So
is. I don't want them like this, but they are, so.
I have a lot of people that like to come and say like, oh, it's because of this, it's because of that. So the easiest term for this is essentially dermatitis neglecta from my deduction. And all it is every day when you get up and you walk, your feet kind of rub. And for everyone that's had a teenage brother, sure enough how you can relate, you know how they don't wash their socks and the socks get a little crusty.
Oh, Lord.
So all this is a buildup of dead skin cells over time because you're not up walking and moving, so you're not getting that little bit of friction that just rubs off all of these skin cells. And that's all it is. So it's fairly normal for you to have this. I see it a lot in people that have, let's say, had a cast on for a long time or things of the sort. You'll see the same thing. Some people are like, oh, that's wax. Wax doesn't behave like this. This is really and truly just a thick layer of epidermal skin, and we just scrape it off. It comes off fairly easily. We just take a little time. I don't use tweezers or anything like that because I don't want to pinch you. I don't want to cut the skin. This is very gentle, using the back end of a cuticle pusher. And it's fairly efficient. We can't soak because your knees, until they can get them to bend, are locked out like that, so we can't get you into a basin to soak them. That would make it a little easier, but we do what we can. What's all the giggling going on?
I'm having a little accident over here while you're recording, but I'm done now.
I'm going to scrape all that. But thanks, Rod, for sharing. I appreciate it. We're going to get all that peeled off.
So is she the only person who has feet like this?
I have one other patient who has a condition about like that. He is non-ambulatory as well.
Mm-hmm.
But we've got a good start. All right, let me give my neck a break. Go ahead and relax.
Show him Dad and Andrea
Oh my goodness.
while he's resting. But he's